This is a workshop about social media, not necessarily about cyber safety, but about being mindful and authentic on social media, and most importantly, creating a digital footprint that you will be proud of and not cringe at in 10 years' time. Well, I've come up with a 5-step checklist that if you think about what you're going to share on social media and how vulnerable you're going to be about putting personal stuff out there, if you go through this 5-step checklist, I reckon you can't go wrong. Look, I think it's a trap that we all fall into. It's the old thing called comparison-itis. It's comparing our real life to somebody else's highlights reel. See it as a way of becoming your best broadcaster. We live in an unparalleled time where you can tell a story about yourself with the potential to reach millions of people and create a footprint that supports the kind of person you want to be. I think just being more mindful and thinking about, well, what is it that I actually want to say about myself and who do I really want to be in this space? Yeah, it's about sharing happy snaps, but it's actually much bigger than that. And we have some insights from some high-profile people like Ariane Titmus and Jeff Horn and Selena Gomez, and it goes to show that the things that they think about aren't too different to the rest of us.